Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by ensuring you have Python and VS Code installed. This is the foundation. Once done, open your project folder in VS Code so files and settings are local. Then install the official Python extension. It provides language support, IntelliSense, and interpreter selection. Make sure during Python installation you check Add to Path so the terminal recognizes Python. After the extension finishes, reload VS Code. This prepares the environment for the next configuration step. Next, you create and activate a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. For example, run python mvenv. Venv, then activate the venv using the platform-appropriate command so the shell and VS Code use the same interpreter. Once active, install needed packages with pip install package name. This keeps global Python clean. Now use the VS Code command palette to select the Python interpreter from the venv. This links IntelliSense, linting, and the debugger to your environment. Once selected, verify by running Python version in the integrated terminal. To finish, run your script with Run Python file in the editor or use the integrated terminal to run Python script. Py. For breakpoints and step-through debugging, create or update launch. JSON via the run view to configure program, args, and working directory. Also set formatters and linters in settings to match your workflow. If something breaks, check that VS Code selected the correct interpreter, the venv is activated in the terminal, and path is set. These 3 checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.